Okay, dear student, today we are going to start with exercise 13.3, class 9, cone. Here you can see this is a right circular cone. Here this is called the vertex. O is the vertex. This is slant height. We can take as L. This is vertical angle. This is radius and this is base. Here O is called the vertex of cone. The fixed line OP is called the axis of the cone. The circle ABC, here we can take circle AB and C here. So ABC is called the base of the cone. The length of the line segment joining the vertex O to any point on the circular edge of the base is called the slant height of the cone. Here OA and OB is slant height, both sides this side. O and OB is slant height of cone. Angle AOB is the vertical angle of the cone. That is, AOB is the vertical angle of the cone. The length of line segment joining the vertex to the center of the base is called the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. Here OP is the height. The radius AP of the base circular is called the radius of the cone here. Let us take here L is slant height. So L is slant height. RB radius and HB the height. HB the height of the cone. Then relation between LR and H. L is length height, R is radius and H is height. L square is R square plus H square. By Pythagoras theorem, this is radius in triangle APO. Angle APO is a right angle triangle. So AP is radius, OP is height and OA is slant height. So OA square is AP square plus OP square. So that is L square is R square plus H square. Now L is root over R square plus H square by taking square root on both sides. If you are supposed to find out radius, then R is L square minus H square. If you are supposed to find out height, then it is L square minus R square. So you can take according to this. Now here we'll just write the formula. Volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Curved surface area of cone is pi rl square units. Total surface area of cone is pi r L plus R square units. These are the formula that you have to know. Now let's go to the exercise 13.3. You can take out your textbook and you can go through the textbook. You can take out textbook exercise 13.3. Question number 1 we are supposed to do now. Your question is B1, page 237, B1. Diameter of base of cone is 10.5 centimeter and its length height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So diameter of base B1, page 237. Page 237, B1. Diameter of base of cone is given. Diameter of base is 10.5 and slant height. Here diameter of base is 10.5. You can find out the radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2, half of the diameter. So that is 10.5 by 2, and slant height is given. Slant height L is given 10 centimeter. You are supposed to find out the curved surface area of cone. So curved surface area of the cone equals to, curved surface area is here, you can see pi RL. Pi RL is your formula here. So pi is 22 by 7. Unless the value pi is given, then you can use pi as 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 10.5 divided by 2, and your slant height is 10. 7 1 are 7.3, 35, 7 5 are 35, 2 into 11. So 11 into 1.5 into 10. 11 10 are 110 into 1.5. You can multiply. So it is decimal places here. So 165. 165 square centimeter or centimeter square. Now you can see question number 2. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of cone if length height is 21 meter and diameter of base is 24. Find the total surface area of cone. So here length height is given 21. You write here length height given. Slant height is L is given 21. Slant height is 21 and the diameter of base is 24. Diameter of base, that is diameter is 24. So you are supposed to find out the radius first. Radius is diameter divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2. It's 12 meter. Now find the total surface area. Total surface area formula we'll have to use here. Total surface area formula. So the total surface area is total surface area of cone is, you can see the formula from here. Total surface area is pi r L plus r square units. So that is pi r L plus r square units. So here pi is 22 by 7. Here the radius is 12. Slant height is 21 plus radius is 12. 22 into 12. 21 plus 12 is 33 by 7. So now you can divide. So you can divide now 12 into 22. That is 264 into 33. 3 4 are 12. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. 3 4 are 12. 3 2 6 are 18 19. 7. So 1 7 8. 8 7 1 2 by 7. So divide by 7. 7 1 are 7. 7 2 are 14. 7 minus 4 is 3. 1 7 4 are 28. 3 2 7 4 are 28. 4 0 7 5 are 35. 7 into 7 49. So it is 1244.57 centimeter square. That is the total surface area of cone. Now next we'll go to the next question. Your next question is, curved surface area of cone is 308 and its length height is 14. Find the radius of base number 1 and number 2 is total surface area of cone. Question number 3. curved surface area of cone is 308 and its length height is 14. Find the radius of base, number 1, and number 2 is total surface area of cone. So here radius is not there, but curved surface area is already given here. It is 308 and slant height is given. Given slant height L is 14. Curved surface area of cone is 308. So the curved surface area of cone is pi RL is 308. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is not there, so R you can write here. Slant height is 14. 7 2 are 14. So 2 into 22 is 44. R is 308. R is 308 divided by 44. 4 into 11. 4 7 are 28. 2 left. 4 7. So 11 into 7. R is 7. So number 1, radius of the base, radius of the base is 7. Next, you have to find out the total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone, that is pi r L plus r. Pi is 22 by 7. Here the radius is 7. Slant height is given, that is 14 plus 7. You can cancel 7. 22 into 21. Let us multiply 22 into 21. 462 centimeter square. Now this is question number 3. Let's go to question number 4 now. A conical 10 meter high and radius is given here. Radius is base is 24. Radius of base is 24. Find the slant height of the tent, cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So height is given, radius is given. So we'll write here height is, now question number 4. Height is 10. Height is 10. Radius is 24. Radius is 24. We know that slant height L is height square plus radius square. So root over height is 10 and radius is 24. 10 are 100. 24 into 24 is 576. 676. Square root of 676 we'll find out. 2 are 4. 276. 2 plus 2, 4 into 4. 5, 6. 6 times it will go. 6 are 36. 6 4 are 24. 27. Square root of 676 we got here. 26. So 26 is your slant height. Now slant height is 26. Next you will find out the canvas required to make the tent. Your slant height is L is 26. Canvas required to make the tent, that is curved surface area of the tent, that is curved surface area of the tent, curved surface area of the tent. We have, that is pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. Here radius is 24 and slant height is 26. Let us multiply 22 into 24. 2 2 are 4, that is 258 into 26. 31. 2 8 are 16, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 5 are 10. 13728 meter square, that is area by 7. Cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 70 is given. So cost of canvas for 1 meter square is given rupees 70. Cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Therefore, cost of 13728 by 7 meter square is 13728 by 7 into 70. Can cancel. That is rupees 137,280. $173,280. This is the cost. Now question number 5. What will be the length of tarpaulin? Here you can see the question. You can just take out your textbook also. You can go through the textbook. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6? Assume that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage is cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. We are going to use pi equals to 3.14. So here radius is given 6 and the height also is given, it's 8. Question number 5. Radius is 6. Height is 8. Now we'll find out the slant height. We know that slant height L is height square plus radius, that is 8 square plus 6. 8 into 8, 64. 6 into 6, 36. That is 100. 10 meter. Now area of canvas we'll find out. Area of canvas is curved surface area of cone. So that is pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. Here radius is 6 and the slant height is 10. You can multiply 22 into 6 into 10. Length of tarpaulin. Here pi value is given, pi value is given 3.14 into 6 into 10. Pi value is given here, this is pi value is given, okay. Let us take the pi value, that is 3.14 into 60, 3.14, 60. (188.4 meter square). Now in your question it is given, assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting is approximately 20. So first we'll find out the length of tarpaulin here. Length of tarpaulin is area of tarpaulin divided by wide of tarpaulin. That is area of tarpaulin we got 188.4 divided by 3 meter wide. 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6, 2 left, 3 8 are 24. So that is 62.8 meter. Extra material required for stitching. So it is given here, extra material required for stitching. Material required for stitching, margin and cutting. And cutting is given 20 centimeters. So we have to convert into meter, 20 by 100, 0.2 meter. Now total length of the tarpaulin, hence total length of tarpaulin is 62.8 plus extra material is 0.2. You add both, that is 63 meter. Okay, this is the end of exercise 13.3 part 1. We'll continue with the part 2 in the next class.